painted rocks to look like strawberries. They have been on my to-do list for some time. I heard that they can fool pesky birds from stealing the real strawberries from your garden. It's most helpful if you put them out in early spring. That way the birds will have explored them and given up in frustration long before your real strawberries start to ripen. I'm hoping it will work for the squirrels too. Also, if you have a problem with slugs eating your strawberries, just sprinkle a little coffee grounds around your garden and they'll be gone in a few days. First, I painted the rocks red using spray paint to cut down on time. Next, I painted green leaves at the top of the strawberries. I did a few of the strawberries with pale green at the tip of the berry to look not quite ripe. Then I painted small seeds on the rocks using a dotting tool. After I was finished, I applied 2 coats on each side of the craft varnish. They're so cute. They would make great decorations, like in a dish on the table. These actually look so realistic. I love it. Now to see if this really works or just looks beautiful.